All right, confession time. When I've been making my math videos, other than the very first one, I've been getting them on the first shot. I've been confident. I know what I want to say to my students, to you guys, and it's worked. For whatever reason, this video is not working for me. This is probably the third or fourth time I've made this video, which is why the work is already on the sheet in front of you. I think the reason is because I don't like these questions. And the reason why I don't like these questions is because I would rather do sheet 11, 2, 3, 4, and 5 before we get to these kinds of questions. But what this question is asking, if you have your sheet in front of you, it's asking you to guess and check your work. So they don't really care about the process. They want you to just pick a random number. So let's take a look at number 23. 23 is 3n minus 5 equals 19. And I want my answer to be n equals something. You don't know that it's 8 yet. So how do I get there? So I'm going to guess. So I'm going to think to myself, 3 times what number minus 5 equals 19? Well, I don't know. So I'll pick a number. Let's start with 5. 3 times 5 would be 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. So that's not big enough. That's not 19. So I'm going to go bigger. So I'm going to try 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 minus 5 is 19. Hey, I got it. So I guessed right. That's just a guess part. The second part is check. And the check is what's really important about these questions. Because the check is what you've done yesterday and, the rest of this week. So I'm telling you that the answer is 8. So you are replacing n with 8. So 3 times 8 minus 5 equals 19. 3 times 8 is 24. I keep my minus 5 equals 19. 24 minus 5 is 19. 19 equals 19. So therefore, n is 8. Simple enough. Let's take a look at number 24. Same thing. 7x plus 8 is 36. Now, I'm already telling you what the answer is, but I want you to guess. So let's try a guess. Let's say I think it's 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. Well, my total answer needs to be 36 when I'm adding 8, so I know that's too high. Maybe I'm going to go too low. Let's try, I think I'm going to guess 2. So 7 times 2 would be 14. 14 plus 8 is not 36. So I got to go higher. So now I'm going to try 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. Hey, I got the right answer. So I've guessed. Now I have to do the check. And the check is where I really need you to do your work. I need you to show me, even though you're not showing me, I need you to do these on a separate piece of paper. I need you to do the check. And I need you to prove that you have the right answer. On the quizzes, it's just multiple choice. I get that. I'm just trusting that you're doing this. So if I think the answer is 4, I'm taking x out and replacing it with 4. So 7 times 4 plus 8 equals 36. So 7 times 4 is 28. 8 stays the same. And 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 is 36. Good. Okay, let's do 2 more. So down here, number 36. Now I have x divided by 2 plus 9 equals 20. Now this is a little bit different, but again, I'm still going to be guessing. I have the answer there, but guessing. Okay, let's just say 10. I guess 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Got to go higher. I don't want to go 50. I don't want to do an odd number because then I get a decimal. So I'm going to be just guessing even numbers. Let's guess 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. I got to go higher yet. So I'm going to go to 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. I got the right answer. So again, the process is the checking. So I'm replacing. Replace the x with 22. So 22 divided by 2 plus 9 is 20. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. I know I'm right. Okay, good. I just want to show you, demonstrate one different way of doing this, okay? And this is more in line to the way that we're going to be doing it later on, but not totally. So yesterday, I showed you when you were solving by inspection that if you were confused, you could do backwards and opposite. So this last one, number 31, is done backwards and opposite. So I have 2x plus 33 equals 49. And I'm like, oh, I can't even guess. So I'm going to work backwards and opposite. So I start with 49. Instead of plus 33, I now have minus 33. So 49 minus 33 gives me 16. So now I have 2x equals 16 because I got rid of these two to make 16. Again, backwards and opposite. Start with 16. This is 2 times x. So I'm going to divide it by 2. 16 divided by 2 gives me 8. So I think my answer is 8. Again, that's a great guess, and I've done work. I need to check it. I need to verify it. So I take x out, and I replace it with 8. 2 times 8 plus 33 is 49. So 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 33 is 49. 49 equals 49. I know I'm right. Okay? That's a lot of talking just for 4 questions. Your assignment is to do numbers 23 to 32. The schedule that I gave to you at the beginning of the week asked you to do more than that. Ignore it. This is what I'm asking you to do. Numbers 23 to 32. You have to show your work. Right now, I would just rather you just try guessing and then checking your work, because the check is what this sheet is really trying to get you to do. That work, this work. Are you able to replace it and work with it? This is good too, okay, but these are what the sheet's really asking you to do. Later on in this unit, we're going to get to more stuff like this. Okay? Let me know if this makes sense. And the quiz today will be much shorter because this is only 10 questions and I've already done 4 of them for you. So the quiz just might be 3 questions.